you're going to get to do lots of different things, and that's kind of what it's about.
My name is Chris Jensen. I am the Director for Community and Corporate Education at Ohlone College. I'm the main coordinator for the Ohlone For Kids Program. We're excited to have it in its 34th year at Ohlone College. It's been a wonderful program for kids. It's our summer enrichment program. Throughout the summer, there are 4 sessions of 2 weeks each. Each year we have over 225 classes that the students can participate in throughout our summer. Each class is individualized for those students in the grade level, so we make sure that students get the maximum learning, but also have a lot of fun. This is a summer enrichment program, so we want to have the students experience the fun of learning from calligraphy, arts, sciences, and math, algebra, pre-algebra, calculus, to college prep classes.
We're reading a really nice book about the wild robot, and I really like it, and it helps me improve my reading comprehension.
Well, I really enjoy the people I meet here. They're all very nice, and I also really like the teachers. They're really patient, and they're also very nice.
They got 2 games today. They got a game from 11 to 12 and another one from 1 to about 1:50, and that's always the highlight of each day and each camp is game time.
Our job is to basically monitor and do everything in the background. I like working with kids, and I'm a big brother, so I have some siblings. It's really familiar to me working with them.
It's really fun.